Gold closed the week at record high levels close to 2580. We have seen gold struggling to stay below 25 for the last week and has shown a stronger move towards the last two trading sessions. Important week coming ahead where we have the interest rate decisions from Fed going to drive the gold prices. And what is going to be our expectation? Is it going to go past beyond 2600 and deliver another round of stronger rise from here? Or there is a possibility of a. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold for the coming week and for the rest of September? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of the update, I will be sharing the trading levels and strategies so that you can all trade profitably. Do watch till the end. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Also, this is a weekly review. I do share my daily updates. In fact, twice a day I share the targets for gold. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session, so that you can profit throughout the day. Thus, join the free Telegram channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Let's have a brief look on the monthly chart. See the rise here, and post rise we have seen a period of retracement. Then we have seen another round of rise till towards post COVID, that is around the beginning of 2020 and till mid of 2020. It has hit 2000 levels and then have retraced sharp. Now, after retracing, gold has given another round of breakout here. And those who watched my the year beginning review for gold must have noticed that this was predicted that it is going to go high in the year 2024. Now, if you look at the formation after retracing, it has given a breakout at this point and it is still looking up. And if you connect the highs for the last few months, you can find out gold prices have almost has hit the top of it. Now, also, another point to note here is it is almost at the top of the Bollinger Bands on the monthly charts. Yes, definitely we can see a bit of pressure at this point for gold on the upside. However, we cannot deny a further bullish move in gold from the current levels. If you look at the form for the last few months, you have seen it delivering higher lows. And if you just connect the if it breaks out beyond 2585, 2595 zone, we have scope for gold to move to 2618, 2624 zone, the greater resistance zone. For the month of September, even if it tries to rise, I do not see gold prices moving beyond 2618, 2624 zone, and that is going to be the stronger resistance zone even if it tries to show an up move from the current level. So the first resistance, first hurdle gold is going to face at 2585, 2595, and the next strongest hurdle is going to be towards 2618, 24 zone, which I think it is going to remain the stronger one for the month, and the strongest one to be at around 2634, 33 zone, which is going to be the next milestone. And even if it shows a rise, I think it is going to be very, very difficult for gold to break beyond. First, I have mentioned 2585, 2595, next at 2618, 24, and then the third at 2633, 36. If these three levels are taken, I think the pullback on the downside is going to be difficult for gold. And as long as it respects these three levels and stays within the zone, the chances of reversal are very, very high. All should remain higher here. So that is the point on the monthly charts. Second point here on the monthly charts is uh, greater the divergence, though for this month appears reversal is going to be difficult, but I can see this, the greater the divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge. Though it is right now upward facing, what has happened here? You can see series of bullishness, then a stronger retracement. Now after retracing, first move and retracement, second move and retracement, and this is the third leg of bull run. This is a breakout which has continued here for a while and which can stay here for next month as well. The bullish conditions might prevail for next month as well before it looks forward to a move towards the 20 period moving average, which is right now settled at around 2150, 2200 levels. Look at the monthly stochastic has come to extremely overbought levels, and if you look at the history for gold, you will find whenever it hits such levels on the monthly basis, always calls for a reversal. Now, historically the data suggests so, and this is on the monthly charts. You can see whenever it has hit this high, it is always followed with a reversal, and thus you can say the reversal is gold is not too far now. At best at best it could continue or spill over the bullishness for the coming month, at best, and not beyond that. So the last 2 months are going to remain critical, mark my words. Now look at the MACD on the likewise the MACD on the monthly charts, historically higher levels. See what has happened here, a good rally, then a month of retracement. Now here also it has hit the highs here, almost hitting the same highs which we had seen post 2010 recession. It has seen a good rise and now it has peaked at the same zone. Possibly at best it will wait for the next month as well to hit the highs before reversing. So yes, I think the up move now is going to be sticky. I think the up move or the upward zone is going to be a bit of greater resistance, and there are going to remain greater hurdles. RSI is also back to overbought levels, and it is also forming the same V-shaped formation here what we had seen, and that is why I also say at best next month it could try to stay here and then reverse. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly chart, similar observations. Look at the formation: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now, after the retracement here, this is the bigger move it has shown. And yes, it has taken the support from the 20 period moving average beautifully. Now, the 20 period moving average lies at around 24, and the first support zone now at 2500, 2470. So, if it tries to reverse, it is going to be definitely watched out for the support zone at 2500, 2470, which I think it is going to be difficult for it to uh, break in the month of September. Possibility of a reversal exists, but even if it tries, this is going to be the strongest support zone. 2500, 2470 is stronger support here. It is almost form a double. Then 2450 and then 2420 levels will appear. Also remember, the more it diverges from the 20 period, the chances of reversal towards the 20 period increases. Second thing is it is at the top of the Bollinger Bands. And remember the fact that whenever it puts such pressure on the bands to expand, it always follows with a pullback. So what it could do, see what has happened here. Even if it tries to rise towards the weekend, towards the end of the week, it could erase some of the gains. So if it hits the high here, and that is what I have mentioned, in the coming week, if you see it hitting 26, 18, 20, 26, 33, 36 zone, I think at that point possibly there could be a little possibility of a reversal, but not beyond 26, 36. Beyond this, we will look forward to 26, 58 and 26, 75 levels. The stochastic here on the weekly charts is also overbought. The MACD here is also at an extremely overbought. Look at the MACD on the weekly charts first, second, and this is the peak it has seen. Now it is trying to form a double top, and that is what it appears that it is looking forward to move towards the double top levels, and thus next few weeks definitely are going to remain critical. I think for the month of October you should be watchful, careful, alert, and post that a reversal is what you can expect here in the gold prices. See, now we are very closer to the reversal point or the tipping point for gold. It can happen any point of time this week, next week, or in the month of October, and if not, then for in the month of November for sure. RSI coming to overbought levels, coming to daily. On the daily charts, I have mentioned here, see the rise retracement. It has taken the support from the 20 period moving average, taking the support. We have seen this breakout, and also it is putting the pressure on the bands to expand. Remember what is happening, the bands are expanding on both the sides. Also on the daily charts, if you look at the bullishness has got diminished towards the end of the week, and thus it appears that the first two trading sessions you should watch out for. It could erase some of the gains from this rise, and if it breaks below 2500, 2470, then you can say that it is reversed. Else it is going to erase some of the gains like this and then again bounce back with the Fed. It's possibility you cannot ignore. Also a complete reversal on the downside cannot be denied here. Stochastic back to overbought levels here on the daily charts. MACD, now see MACD has crossed over here just one candle away, and it appears there is lot much of room on the MACD for gold to rise here. So this is one observation which suggests that this breakout might continue here for a while. RSI just entering into overbought zone, and this also indicates that it could continue here. Coming to the 4 hour, look at the 4 hour chart series of bullishness here since the beginning of August and after a bit of consolidation here. And yes, we have observed 2530 as a greater resistance here, which we had seen it failing to break beyond. But once it has breached this, it has shown a stronger move. Now, see, it has come far beyond 2530. Now, 2530 is another one first support levels which it needs to break, and then 2500. If gold breaks these two levels, then only you should treat this as bearish. Now, what has happened on the 4 hour chart? Stronger rise, it is still trading in this nice bullish flag formation. The support levels first at around 25 62 64, and then towards 25 54 55. So these two support levels to be taken, and then ultimately towards 25 40 and 25 32 30 zone will come into picture. So greater support here on the downside. Little retracement does not mean a reversal. Yes, a divergence here calls for it to converge. There is a possibility of a move towards 25 40 50, but again, hitting the lows, it could reverse. Stochastic here is also overbought. The MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading extremely overbought, so chances of a little retracement exist here. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. And before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel. In just one single channel, we trade diverse instruments. Do not miss this opportunity. We trade indices and commodities in a single channel. There's enough opportunity for you to reach out to me via Telegram or email for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker with global presence, which offers a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, and yes, easier transactions and withdrawals from across the globe and across the globe as well. So yes, do join it today. Recommended broker link is there in the channel and video description. Now, first let's talk about the levels to buy here. I will recommend you to buy if you see it staying above 2584 88 zone. Buy here. Expect 2596, 2605 and 2618. Now 2618, 2624 is going to be the first resistance zone for gold. Beyond this, you can expect 2633, 35 as the next. And if it stays above this, the chances of prices hitting 2658 will be high, and then we can look forward to 2658, 2675 zone. Beyond this, sky is the limit. It can move towards 2700. Though, as far as my expectation goes, I think even if it tries to rise, it is going to be, these are going to be bigger hurdles for gold to break past by. Mark these levels, and you have to be cautious and alert at these levels. And once it breaks these levels, remember the bulls will take over completely. So be cautious. Now on the sell side, I will recommend a selling entry at 25 74 72 zone, and if it drops below this, you can expect 25 62 64. Below this, 25 50 25 54 56, the nearest one. Below this is where slight bearishness will prevail, and then you can look forward to 25 45, 25 25 40, and then 25 30 32. Now these are going to be the stronger supports, and if it breaks this, you can expect 25 20 as the next, or rather 25 18, 25 20. This is the next zone, and if it breaks this, 2504, 2500 will come into picture. See, the support on the downside are very near. If it breaks below 2500, just stay short. If it breaks below 2500, we are going to look forward to a move towards 2470, 2450, and then towards 2420 levels very soon. Though looking at the move here in gold for the last few weeks, it appears now complete reversal, that is a drop below 2470, 2500 is going to be difficult for the month of September. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Do not miss to watch every day the twice a day updates which I share for gold.